Hey guys, this is Adrian once again. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make passive residual income with a free marketing system for 14 days, no credit card required to get involved with this, guys. Okay, the first video you'll see is all the cool capture pages and sale pages you can make. The second video will show you how to put the capture page together and sell pages together by editing all the with our tools right here, guys. Third video, guys, is the compensation plan for the conversion pros. 10 people, you get 10 people in a month, that's 250 every month. But we pay every Friday, guys. 50 people, 1250, 100 people, 2500 per month, 400 people, that's 10,000 per month. Say you join today, get it 14 days for free. You get people, 50 people involved in it, guys. Even before you pay the $50 to get the system, you made $12.50 and you only paid $50. Next video, guys, is testimonials by real people. I joined this company, this marketing system 3 years ago, guys, and I took action. So if you click one of these green buttons right here, it'll take you to this page. Set up your free account. It's totally free. Set up your username, password. Make sure you write your username, passwords down, guys. That's very important. Once you get inside to the back office, the first thing you want to do, guys, is click on the Get Started button. So it'll be like this. Click on the Get Started button by this arrow, and then you want to go through these trainings, guys. Build your business, affiliate training, and tips and tricks, so you understand the system a lot better. This is claim your free stock guide. It's totally free. You get a free share guide, and you got a chance to win some nice stocks. Just claim it free. Just when you click claim your stock right there, guys. There's a phone app, and then just continue with all this right here, guys. And then you also want to go to the tools right here on the Conversion Pros in the back office, so you can see the different products you get. Unlimited autoresponder, member-to-member manager, contact manager, page builder, text messages, webinar builder, invoice builder, link rotator, tiny URL creator, mobile app, and much more, guys. All right, guys, I just want to show you guys what you could do. Take action. Get both of these business for free today. Get your free stock with Robinhood, and you also get a free marketing system suite, guys, for 14 days free, no credit card. So I see you on the other side. All right, guys. Peace.